Even when you select Create a Campaign without a goals guidance, Google Ads still requires you to choose at least one conversion action or set up an account-level conversion goal. The reason is that all campaign types now run with some form of goal-based optimization, so Google will not let you launch a campaign without it. In the past, choosing to create a campaign without a goals guidance meant you could set up a campaign that was completely goal-free. It was a way to build campaigns without any pressure to connect them to conversions or optimization targets. That has changed. Today, this option only means that Google will not recommend settings based on a specific goal. For example, in the past, it might suggest using a maximize conversion strategy if you selected leads. Now, Google removes those recommendations, but the system still requires at least one conversion action in your account. A conversion action can be many things. It could be a for, then assign it as secondary so it doesn't mess with reporting, or go to Account Settings Arrow Conversion Goals and define default goals at account level. Campaigns will then use those automatically. Even when you select Create a Campaign without a goals guidance, Google Ads still requires you to choose at least one conversion action or set up an account-level conversion goal. The reason is that all campaign types now run with some form of goal-based optimization, so Google will not let you launch a campaign without it. To go into your account settings and set up default conversion goals at the account level. These default goals will automatically apply to campaigns, so you do not need to assign them each time. If your intention is to avoid conversion optimization completely, the closest option is to use manual CPC bidding under Bidding Strategies. With manual CPC, you have more direct control over your bids, but even here, Google still requires at least one conversion action in the account before the campaign can be launched. If you skip this step, you will remain stuck in the choose a goal loop. That is because Google no longer allows campaigns without a conversion goal. In short, campaigns that are truly goal-free no longer exist, and every campaign must now be linked to at least one conversion action, even if it is only a placeholder.